welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. I know I've been away for about 8 to 9 months, but I am definitely hyped and super grateful to be back. Like, I've been away for about 9 months. I think the last time I posted was in January, but it's not just because like I'm lazy or anything, guys. Like, I've personally like been through a lot in the, like in the first half of 2025, like January to June. And I'm telling you, I have been through a lot. And like, I'm not just saying that, like, I've been through everything, like, you can almost think about. I'm talking anxiety, paranoia, depression, and having like literally no money, guys. I'm telling you. And like, that's just like a little bit that I can actually like say, you know, on the video, right? So, so yeah, definitely excited to be back. Like, there's no better time to be back than the month of Techtember. As we all know, there's a lot going on this month. Samsung released a bunch of devices last month. Apple released a whole wide array of devices, like a couple of weeks ago. Meta just released a bunch of devices like the Ray-Ban um, glasses, and that was literally not too long ago. Of course, Apple released the iPhone 17 lineup, the new AirPod Pros, and surprisingly, the iPhone Air. So, yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update. Like, if you're still subscribed, definitely appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed yet, well, you might want to check out the channel to see, like, you probably have a lot that you're interested in, pretty much. So, yeah, give a like, subscribe, and stay tuned because I'm definitely working on a couple of videos. For example, like a Mac Mini unboxing and review. Also, the Bose QuietComfort headphones. So I'm going to do a long-term review on that. I've had that for about 10 months. So like, that's definitely a long time to do like a long-term review on that. And I'm also going to also make a video about AI. We all know everyone is talking about AI. The the world is going bonkers on AI, and like, how can you actually like pretty much use AI like in your own life, especially when it comes to as a tech person, when it comes to automating things, getting like your workflows done faster, getting like your documentation done faster, all those things. I'll pretty much kind of focus on comparing Copilot and ChatGPT. However, like, that's not only what the video is going to be about. But yeah, that's pretty much just a quick update, guys. I'm happy to be back. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.